These are 10 fascinating facts about Surah Al Anbiya. In this chapter, the stories of numerous prophets unfold, embodying resilience, faith, and divine mercy. The core message emphasizes the importance of monotheism and the rejection of idolatry, themes of patience in adversity, and the unwavering nature of Allah's promise resonate throughout its verses. Surah Al Anbiya powerfully reminds believers of the transient nature of this world and the eternal significance of the hereafter. Fact 1. Prophets as guides. Reverent. This refers to verse 7. And we did not send before you, O Muhammad, any except men to whom we revealed. This verse highlights the humanity of the prophets. They were chosen guides for their people, emphasizing that divine messages come through relatable figures. Their struggles mirror our own. They faced disbelief, yet they persisted, embodying faith. Their stories inspire us to trust in Allah's plan. Fact 2. The call to monotheism. Al Anbiya strongly calls humanity to recognize the oneness of Allah. It rejects all forms of polytheism. This clear message resonates with the essence of the faith. Every tale reinforces the significance of worshiping Allah alone. Fact 3. The power of prayer. This refers to verse 84. So we responded to him and restrained the storm. The prophets were fervent in their prayers. Their connection with Allah showcases the importance of supplication. It teaches us about divine intervention and mercy. Prayer becomes a powerful tool in our lives. Fact 4. The test of patience. Reverent. This refers to verse 112. Indeed, I have been patient with your decree. The prophets exemplified unwavering patience. Their trials remind us that faith often requires endurance. In times of hardship, we must cling to our faith. Patience is a virtue that leads to reward. Fact 5. Divine mercy. Al Anbiya illustrates Allah's infinite mercy. The prophets often called for forgiveness, showing the path to redemption. With every story, we see the limitless compassion of our Creator. This reinforces our hope in seeking repentance. Fact 6. Signs in creation. The surah often reflects on the signs of Allah in creation. It invites us to ponder the universe around us. Every detail illustrates Allah's majesty and power. This prompts self-reflection about our place in creation. Fact 7. Accountability in the hereafter. This refers to verse 16. What did you create for falsehood? Accountability is a vital theme in Al Anbiya. It reminds us of the reality of our actions. We must consider the consequences in the hereafter. Awareness fosters a sense of responsibility. Fact 8. The legacy of the prophets. Their stories do not end with their lives. They pave the way for us to follow. Their teachings transcend time. We can learn from their resilience and faith. Fact 9. The promise of victory. The surah reassures believers of Allah's promise of victory. No matter the odds, faith will prevail. This offer of hope fuels our spiritual journey. It encourages us to persist in our efforts. Fact 10. Call to reflection. Al Anbiya invites us to reflect on our own lives. Each narrative serves as a mirror for our faith journey. It challenges us to evaluate our beliefs and actions. What legacy will we leave behind? In reflecting on Surah Al Anbiya, we find a profound tapestry of faith and resilience woven through the lives of the prophets. Their stories invite us to connect deeply with our spiritual essence. Ibn Kathir teaches us the value of these narratives in understanding righteousness. Each lesson reveals the importance of patience, prayer, and unwavering belief in Allah. As we navigate life's trials, may we carry their wisdom in our hearts.